Alright, so I've had this fan for a while now. I've brought it out of the basement. My mom might be able to keep it in her in an area, but it's on my chair right now. This is this 52-inch Hampton Bay fan, which will be replacing the Atlantic Air spinner in my parents' room because it's just so loud. It's gotten worse. But there is one problem with it, sadly. That works. The reverse and the fan chain works, but the light does not. Shame. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get that fixed eventually. It'll probably be a while. So yeah, it will be replacing that hunk of crap. I wish it was still a good fan, but listen to this. My mom put on full volume because it can be hard to hear. It's already starting. Yeah, it sucks. They'll be replacing that hunk of garbage. It's a Hampton Bay fan, cause right there, focus. Come on, I shouldn't have this problem, it's 2020. Has Hampton Bay pull chains with the axolotl for some reason on it. Yeah, this will be replacing it. Got it at Habitat. December of 2019. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!